Hello everybody, welcome to Frame Family Farm. I'm going to go ahead and feed the cows. Shut the gate over here. Shut the gate so I can get around the other side and give them hay. Watch out, Elwood. Shut this gate here. Real quick. Alright. Alright, Jesse. Alright. Some of the girls, this one we just got, well, I guess last year. These two we just got, Hazel and Virginia, from the same farm. We're still trying to tame those two. It takes a while when the farm they had before doesn't handle them or anything, which is fine. It's no big deal. It just takes some time. Because Daisy here, Daisy was the same way. She was very Daisy was very standoffish. Sadie over there was very standoffish. She'll try to take your arm in now, but Bronson, he's pretty good. But yeah, let's feed him real quick. Let the tractor warm up because I got to give them a bale. And I got to get everybody water also. Go ahead and give them some corn here. They got theirs. I'm going to go ahead and dump some here for Virginia. The big girls like to use the little trough. Not really sure why. They just do. We are going to go on the hill and feed Elwood. I always feed the donkeys separate. I always feed him on the hill. Normally with the girls, but not right now because they're separated. And he'll run over and get his food. Hey, Elwood. Hungry, bud? Yeah, you're always hungry. There you go, bud. There you go. All right. Might as well go ahead and feed the other girls real quick here. Feed everybody else. Hey, don't eat that. Okay. I know you're hungry, babies. I know. Good food. Alright, here you go. Here you go, baby. Now it's time to get everybody a bale. just have to cut the twine, close it off, give them all some water, and we're all set. Thanks for watching, guys.